Wonderful, gentlemen. So earlier we discussed about creating a local business listing using Google My Business Listing option. Okay. Now we are going to see an option where adding a missing place in Google My Business. Okay. There are two ways of doing it. Okay. You can use your mobile phone. You can also use the computer. Where you can go, you can search about something. For example, digital marketing training near me, digital marketing course near me. So when I search this, obviously Google is going to give me the digital marketing course details, the local business listings here. Okay, can you see? So when I say near me, e-search advisors, digital marketing training, all the details from Chennai is coming. Okay, but because there are no people offering digital marketing course near me, that's the biggest problem. Or is my location tracked as Chennai? Yeah. See, my browser has taken my location as Chennai. It is supposed to take as my current location. I don't know why it is taking like this. Anyway, that is Google's choice. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it as digital marketing course in Theni, very nearby. Okay, Theni. That is my current location where I'm right now. Okay. Now what happens? NIIT Theni is there, Thrive Infotech, Kalvi Institute Private Limited Theni is there. So which means they are offering something. And I go click on view all option. Google is going to show me all the local business listings available. Kalvi Institute, CAD Center, Theni's Driving School, Dexter Academy, Mary Mata, FITA. Okay, so FITA is basically in Madurai, not in Theni. Okay, so click Max Digital Marketing. So there are lots of listings available. And the bottom, if you come and see, there is an option called missing place. See, add a missing place. The same thing happens on your smartphone also. Go to your mobile phone Chrome browser, okay, and search about something on your mobile phone Chrome browser also. At the bottom of the results, you will get an option called add a missing place. Now the same process is followed. So click on add a missing place. Now Google is going to ask you, right? Okay, what you are going to add, and you're going to tell Google about the. Let me say I'm offering digital marketing course. Now you can tell Google that online digital marketing course. Okay, okay. Let me give some space. Online digital marketing course. Let me say Amadou Kumar. That is my brand name. Now what happens? Because the location that I created earlier is not yet verified and published, Google is not showing anything here. Okay. If it is verified, if it is published, it is going to go show me the suggestions. Okay, in the current place. Okay. Now you can add, you can select category, you can get, add the location or you can add the address, all the details for any business listing and click on send. Automatically this business listing will be added inside Google. Okay. Now I've already demonstrated how to add a web, business, to Google, and this is another option where you can add any business of your choice into Google My Business. So all you need to do is search for any business, search for any business nearby, search for any business that is nearby your location. Okay, that's basic one. Search for any business nearby and explore and look for the option to add missing business. Right now, click on it and fill or complete the required detail. Okay, complete the required details in the form. The listing will be created. The listing will be created. Okay, anybody can create a local business listing. Okay, anybody can create a local business listing. Now, the listings that are created using add a missing place. Okay, the listing created using the option to add a missing place will add you into the Google local guide program. Okay, so Google has got a program named Google local guide program, where anyone who is interested in rating and reviewing a business, anyone who is interested in rating and reviewing a business can add a business, rate and review any business from there one. Okay, basically it is local guide program. Okay, Google has got a separate program called Google local guide. Okay, you can check out this one, Google local guide. Okay, so this is the program. Okay, this is my new email address. So you can click on this Google local guide program, where anybody who is traveling can explore and also share information about the ratings, reviews of any business. You can add a business. Okay, you can rate, review any business, and based on the ratings and reviews you give, Google will recognize you. Okay, you are doing good, you are doing good, you are doing good, like that. Okay, you will also get reward points, you will also get ratings, reviews, at times you will get beautiful offers. Okay, so there are several processes that can happen with you. Okay, so there is a program called Google local guide program. Okay, it is very easy, it is free also. Go click on join button. Okay, and allow your location where you are right now, Tamil Nadu, India. I'm 18 year plus, I agree to this email, sign up. Now what happens? I become a part of Google Local Guide program. See, welcome to Google Local Guide. Okay, what you can do with the Google Local Guide program? You can navigate to any business with your camera, phone, something. You can take the photograph and you can upload. You can rate, review, and your first impression, all the details. Done. Okay. So as a Google Local Guide, you can add a business into Google. Okay, you can rate, review any other businesses, and you will be considered as a Google local guide, and that adds more value to other businesses to validate. Okay, so there is a program called Google local guide program. If you want, you can participate in that. Okay, it is your preference to go ahead and explore a lot. Okay, now, so whenever you go ahead and add a missing place inside Google, you are automatically enrolled into the Google's local guide program. So, end of the day, whether you add a business as a owner, okay, you can add a business listing as a owner. That's what we did around a couple of days back. Okay, or as a local guide, the business listing will be validated and verified using a OTP that is sent to your postal address or your mobile number based on the situation. Sometimes they may send OTP to your mobile number. Sometimes they may send a one-time password to your physical address. A postal code will be sent to you. Okay, so because the local business listing is created. Now I have created this local business listing as a owner in front of you around a couple of days back. Now what happened when I go to Google with gmail.com, okay, the account which I have right now, Google has sent me an email stating that the verification code for your business listing is on its way. Okay, the verification code for the Google business listing is on its way, which means I can expect this particular postal code to be sent to my home. Okay, so this is one. Half century, hello leads. Okay, older Google My Business. See, Google My Business has sent me a message on October 16th that online digital marketing course Amudha Kumar, welcome to Google My Business. Okay, so while we are waiting for your pin to arrive, take a minute to complete your information. So the pin will be sent to the address whichever I have created. Okay, what is the address that I have created? Okay, on 15th the pin was sent. Now it is 19th. Most probably it will take maximum 12 days to receive the pin. Okay, maximum 12 days. So once I receive the pin, I can add it inside. So October 15th is when I will receive the pin. I mean, the pin has been sent to my postal address. Once I receive the pin, what will I do? I need to go to my business listing options. Can you see? Right? So the business listing says that pending verification. Okay, so you have requested a verification code on October 15th. Most postcards arrive within 12 days. Okay, within 12 days. So once I receive the postcard, I will get a verification code. I will click on this enter verification code, enter the verification code, and I will confirm that my business is owned by me. Okay, so there are two ways of creating your business listing. One is by yourself by logging into your own account. Another one is by adding a business as a missing place by searching in Google or on your Chrome browser on your mobile phone. End of the day, you will add a business listing. So you need to make sure that you add a complete business details and information into your website. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is basically adding a missing place. Okay, in Google My Business List.